In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Instagram password if you have forgot it. So if you have forgotten your Instagram password and you are wondering how you can recover it, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So first of all, what you need to do is just simply come over to google.com. Once you are on Google, as you can see in the top right hand corner, there is your profile picture. If you click on your profile picture, you can then click on manage your Google account. Once you click on manage your Google account, you will have a couple of options here on this left hand side bar, and the one we need in today's video is the security tab. So once you click on security, all you simply need to do now is scroll down until you find password manager, which is this option right here. So if you click on password manager, what that will do is it will go ahead and show you all the passwords that you have saved on your Google account. So as you can see on my account here, I have an option for Instagram.com, and a lot of people do click on save when they log in to a certain website. So if you click on Instagram.com, what that will do is it will redirect you to here, and all you need to do is enter in your password to confirm that it is your account. Once you have entered in your password, you can simply click on the next button, and then that will redirect you over to your password manager for your Instagram. As you can see for Instagram, this is my login email, and if you click on this icon here, it will display your password for your Instagram page. So that's how easy it is to find your Instagram password if you have forgot it. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments section down below, drop a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one.